Hi, it's Jen again from Tokyo Makes. Thanks for joining me. So on this canvas, I thought I would try to use this. It's some kind of kitchen tool, and I've made a little dam using aluminium tape. It's got nice big holes. When I tried Molly Artistry's Kaleidoscope Pours, it didn't work, and I think it was because the holes are too small on my colander. So I've got quite high hopes for this. Okay, I've mixed my paints up. So my normal colours are going to be gold, the Basics Dioxazine Purple with the Turner Acryl Gouache Pearl Blue, the Liquitex Acrylic Regular Prussian Blue. This is another standard paint with nothing in it. This is the Pthalocyanine Green from Liquitex Basics. So these four: gold, purple with pearl blue, green and Prussian blue. These are the paints that don't have any special effects. These are just sort of standard acrylic paints with pouring medium, 50-50 ratio. These two are Americana Satin Enamels, and they're mixed with some off-white acrylic paint and 50% pouring medium. This is the gloss enamels with some pouring medium in it. This one's the thinnest one. This is the Americana Multisurface Satin with the red shift mica in. It needs to be mixed a little more. I'm going to let this sit for a second or two. You can see the satin enamels starting to react in the strainer. I've got a sheet ready to slide under. Okay, let's try it. Using Molly's technique of going out to the edge and then recentering to try to preserve the shape somewhat. I might need to lay down a little bit more white because I spent some time mixing colours after I did the base. So you should probably do your base last after all your colours are mixed, so that it's not tacky at all. Okay, this should help it move a lot more. Right to the edge with this painting. I think that the Prussian blue bleeding into the white edges looks really interesting. But we will see what happens. As usual, the paint will do what it wants to do rather than what I want it to do. Got some beautiful, beautiful cells coming up here. Okay, so I'm going to stop here because these are some of the best sales I've ever had. Wait for the close-up. There's some amazing stuff going on here. Thank you so much, Molly, for inventing this technique. Please hit the like button if you like this video and you'd like to see more content from me, and consider subscribing. If you'd like to find me on Instagram, I'm Tokyo Makes. If you'd like me to follow you on Instagram or subscribe to you on YouTube, please just leave me a comment below and I'll be sure to do that. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye.